Hi everybody, I'm back today with the unboxing of the Hermes Herbag Zip 39. And the 39 is actually the middle size. There's a smaller 31 and a larger 56 size. So we decided to get the middle size because we thought that would be the most practical without being too bulky. So without further ado, let's go in and open it up. So I have the beautiful box with Hermes orange and the bow. Put it down like that and open it up. Got the paper. And then the dust bag. We have the nice dust bag here. And let me go take out the bag. So we got the bag in a rouge tomato color. So the red is in canvas. And then this leather at the top is the natural brown color. Like this. So we got the canvas because we'll probably use it outdoors, maybe at the beach, I don't know. But a little bit more durable, a little bit more forgiving than the leather, but still need to be careful because of the leather on the top. So on the front, first thing I noticed is the Hermes little clasp right here. It's a nice sturdy magnetic clasp. Flipping it around. You obviously have the strap on top and a little handle as well. So you can either have it on your shoulder or hold it with your hand like so. Then we have a little couple of straps here in the zipper compartment in the back. If you open it up, it's a fairly substantial size. You can definitely put a phones, wallets, a notepad, something like that in there without a problem. It lifts up like so. So let's go open it up. Some packaging inside. And inside we actually have a smaller little pouch like this. So it's a nice little zip pouch. I assume that's why it's called Herbag Zip. You open it up. Again, have a nice little coin purse or carry around a phone, etc. inside of there. Very good size. It is connected by the strap. So let me take this out so I can give you a better view. So this little pouch is connected inside, like so. So right in here. So you can either take it out or leave it in. It's up to you. Just take this little strap and this little clip right here. And inside, as you can see, we have one nice big compartment. So definitely can fit a lot of things in here. Not short on space at all. I would say the one downside that I immediately see from this is if you want a bag with lots of different compartments, this one probably isn't for you. The only other compartments are this little zip bag and then the zipper compartment here at the back. Other than that, it's one big space, but I have to say it is a very big space. And this little leather strap here on each side is nice because it means it's kind of flexible and you can, as you close it, can tighten it up and have everything nice and snug. The canvas feel is really good. It's obviously textured. Feels nice and sturdy, nice and high quality as you would expect from Hermes. The zip pouch was made of that same canvas, like this. And then this is the same, the strap on the bag. And the handles and the top are all made of the same leather. So I definitely want to be careful about getting it in this wet. Hermes leather is notoriously not very forgiving. So definitely need to watch out for leather, the weather, the sunlight, etc. Any spills and the like on there. It does look like the strap is adjustable too. No? Not the handle? Okay.
No, not the
Not
strap.
the handle. Not the strap either? Okay, it looks like it's adjustable, but I guess it's not. So, I'm apparently a newbie here at this, but my wife is telling me no. So, she definitely knows more than I do. Okay, that's basically the bag. Let me just go put this back together. Or no, this goes down first, right? We should do like another episode of like guys with bags, just so that you can see how unfamiliar I am with purses and just how all this kind of comes together. So flip it around for you. The one thing I didn't mention too is that there is a nice middle circle at the top on each side. I assume that's to help keep the form of the bag and the shape of the bag, and to help the leather kind of bend over there, so it is nice and sturdy and looks pretty good. There is a little hook back here as well. So for this, let me open this up. There's another little strap in here, a little lock. So I'm assuming that this then clips in, and you can then lock the bag with this. There's a couple little keys in here, as you can see. A nice little lock, as is typical of their bags. So we can then go and, I assume, lock this in. So I am back. So we did a little bit of research. This little hole that's on the strap here is actually for the lock that's here. So the idea is that you thread this strap through the hole and you hang the lock on it like so, and that'll prevent the bag from being opened without the key. The other thing I wanted to try is I have a 15-inch MacBook Pro. I want to see if it will fit inside of this bag. So let's drop it in. It does slide in really nicely. If I move the angle a little bit, you'll see that it does fit. It does go under the clasp here, and it does fit pretty nicely. It is pretty much the entire width of the bag, so I think a 17-inch might be a little bit big for the bag, but it's certainly a 15-inch laptop or smaller will certainly fit in the bag without a problem. And that is unboxing of the Hermes Herbag 39 in Rouge Tomato and natural leather. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks.